Hey guys, happy Monday to you. This week, got a couple of different options for you. Same assignment, two different ways that you can get this thing done. On Tuesday, if you guys miss, clearly my good looking face right here, if you just want to pop your head in, say hello, or if you've got some questions about the assignments, I'll be available for video conferencing on Tuesday. So, I'm going to post these two documents in Teams. They're the same document. One's the PDF, one's the Word version. If you can't get either one of these to open up, email me and I will send you the online version of it, the online Word version of it. So, this video, there's the link here. It's the same video in both links, same thing. But this is a short 5-minute video dealing with how much homework is too much. And I think I know y'all's answers to that. But your two options for this week: watch the video and you can answer the questions that are below, or you can watch the video and write a 300-word response to the video. I've got a handful of questions down here that could kind of help you get that going. But as far as being a middle schooler, I think you've got plenty of opinions on what you could say in regards to how much homework is too much. For those of you that want to do the questions, they're 1 through 15. There's space available. You can, if Teams is working for you, you can type right on this document and send it back to me in Teams. If it isn't working, then just do a Word online document and share it with me and get it back to me. I'll be honest. I think writing the 300-word response, I think option 2 is your not easier. It's a more natural, it's almost more like a classroom discussion. Hey, watch this, tell me what you think about it. And then you can just crank out your response. But some of you really struggle to come up with enough to write. And so that's why I've included the option for the questions. You can just think about one or two things. Okay, so if you hover over it, the link, press Control, click the link. This page should load. And here's the video right here. All right. Like I said, if you have any questions, or if you just want to check in and say, hey, tell me what's happening, tell me what you're watching on Netflix, Tuesday we'll have a optional meeting for those kinds of things. All right, guys, have a good week out there. Bye.